let me show you a magic. So as you can see right now in my Pipedrive account, I have a total of 3 contacts, 2 are sample and 1 is a real contact. But now when I am going to open my Google Sheets, go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks and click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards my workflow and instantly multiple contacts will be created in my Pipedrive account. As you can see now, I have so many more contacts in my Pipedrive account and the details are exactly the same which I had right over here in my spreadsheet. So do you think that this is a magic? No, this is the power of automation which we are going to create in today's video. So as you can see, I had the detail of 20 people in this spreadsheet and these same contacts are created in my Pipedrive too. So let's learn how to create this automation. So to create this automation, you just have to open your workflow builder inside Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you are going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create up to 100 of contacts in Pipedrive for free, and yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect, and for that we have a special discount coupon code which is just for you, which is attached right over here. You can use this discount coupon code to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. So let's see how to create this automation. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to receive the webhook URL. So you have to copy this webhook URL and open your Google Sheets for which you want to create this automation. Then go on this extensions, add-ons, and then towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on this search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks and install this extension. I have already installed this, but if you are installing this today, then what you have to do is after installing this, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is very important that you refresh your spreadsheet, otherwise you'll not be able to see the option of Pabbly Connect Webhooks in this extensions tab. So once you view this Pabbly Connect Webhooks option, go on this Pabbly Connect Webhooks and then initial setup. After coming on this initial setup, it is asking you for the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So the webhook URL is the URL which you received from the workflow. So simply paste it, and then for the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So for me, I want to send 4 details, so the trigger column is D. If you want to send 3 details, your trigger column will be C, and so on. After this, you have to click on this submit. Once you click on this submit, it is saying setup configured successfully. This means that we have created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, but it is still saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, go back towards your spreadsheet and click on this send test. Once we're going to click on this send test, it is saying test data sent successfully. So it is saying that it has sent this first row towards my workflow. So let's open my workflow and you're going to see yes, Pabbly has captured the response for the same. And now what we're going to do is we're going to create a Pipedrive contact using these same details, and then further by the end of this video we're going to learn how to upload the contacts in bulk. Alright, so for that you have to click on this add new action step. For the action application, search for Pipedrive and you have to select Pipedrive over here. Now for the event, you have to select it as create a person person and click on this connect. Now if you already created a connection between Pipedrive and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API token. So to get this API token, just open your Pipedrive account, go on this profile picture, then the personal preferences. Now go on this API and you're going to find this personal API token. Copy this token and paste it right over here in your workflow. After you paste this, click on this save and your Pipedrive account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. After creating this connection, you have to simply fill in certain details of your new contact. Okay, but over here's a hack that you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering, what is mapping? So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So what we have to do, put a slash, search for the detail and map it. So okay, you have to put a slash, search for the name, map the first name, then put a space, put a slash, search for the last name, and then map the last name. Like this, we can run this workflow in real time because now these details will change with every new response. Now for the label, let's keep it as hot lead over here. If you want, you can select according to your own choice. This is a static information because we have not mapped it. Now let's map the phone number. So what we're going to do is we're only going to map the details which we have, like the phone number, name, and email. So let's put a slash and map all of these details. Rest of the details are not required, so let's just leave it as blank and click on this save and send test request. Once we're going to click on the save and send test request, yes, we have received the positive response that we have created a new contact. So let's open our Pipedrive from the left end of the side, go on this contact section, and you're going to see a new contact is added of the smart user. Already there was a contact, but yes, Pipedrive supports bulk, or you can say duplicate contacts. So it has automatically added it right over here. Okay, so now what is going to happen is we are going to learn how to upload the contacts in bulk, but not only once but in bulk. We have created the contact for smart user, right? But I want to create the contact for all the ones whose details I have in the spreadsheet. So for that, you have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and click on this send all data. Once you click on this send all data, all of this data will be sent towards your workflow, and automatically a person or a contact in Pipedrive will be created for the same, like I showed you in the starting of this video. And you know, till then what you have to do, you just have to sit back and relax and just see this procedure happening in background. Okay, and further, if you want that whenever you add the new details, the contact should be created for the same too, then go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. Now whenever you're going to add the new details over here till this D, which is your trigger column, automatically those details will be sent towards your workflow, and the contact for the same will also be created in Pipedrive. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect, and while trying, if you have any questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Please subscribe our YouTube channel. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.